What's good, besties? It's your girl Earth Angel, naturally all up on your screen here with another vlog. Welcome to Hero Circle. We are at the infamous Hero Circle here in Kingston, Jamaica, and we're also at the Woodman's Boys School here at the Ladies Expo. So we are about to go inside, see what's going on. As you guys already know, if you follow me on Instagram, I am here representing the Ashley Naturals brand. So I'm gonna be showing you some of the products, introducing you to some of the awesomeness that is Ashley, and also just to see what's going on. So let's go. So I couldn't find the booth, but I found it, and I'm in the process of setting up. I have to be setting up and talking to person at the same time. It's so crazy. So I won't get to record a lot, but I'll get as much as I can in. Alright guys, so we're gonna get back. Says if you want your sex toys, all your dildos, all everything that make it feel nice, you go to Springs Plaza for this is for pleasers. The name is Teasers Boutique. They're located in Constant Springs Plaza. So you can go there and find it. Say a beer excitement, a beer things. All one dice so you can use to find our position and beer things.
what you do in terms of dancehall and reggae and sponsorship. It's if people are following you, probably you see that you have that attention, they want that audience. Because at the end of the day, it all boils down to commercial and getting what they have selling sold. You know, so if you have that attention, you have an Irish comedy for about 5 to 6 years, right? Blogging. Up to this day, because of the content that I'm creating, up to this day, what I can still contact me, even though any of us are coming in the rooms and are coming and are focusing on YouTube now, they still come to me because when you look in the pool at what is there, majority of them are raunchy or it doesn't attract the audience that the corporate entities need or want to send their products. And so it all boils down to, are you family friendly? Are you attractive in that light to get the audience and the people that are corporate entities?
But what have we observed? Are we seeing more ladies in dancehall getting corporate sponsorships, or are we seeing a balance with the reggae ladies and the dancehall ladies?
Thank you. Good evening, everybody, and good afternoon, everybody. There are like, so Tifa in particular, Tifa has an ambassador role with Digital. She has one with Tifa. You have somebody like a living dancehall artist, reggae artist, like a soul artist, neo reggae kind of guy that has an ambassador role with Lifespan. However, and this is just coming from my experience, you know, and my relationship with a lot of these young females in the reggae genre, particularly the Janais, the Kelisa, you have people like, I'm only not young reggae artists, right? The fact is that corporate sponsors will always go to what is popular with the populace, what will get the eyes and ears of the people, right? And what will as well create that kind of hype that they want, backing their brand. That is not always reggae, unfortunately. It's not seen as a hype genre all the time, right? As if I can shut down a stage show, as if I can go inside a street party or a street promotion, lock it down completely. But for whatever reason, reggae artists, reggae female artists are not taken as seriously. It could be that they're not getting enough promotions or concerns media. It could be that they're not getting enough airplay. It could be that how we are marketing reggae is not hype enough. It's not seen as stirring up the crowd and the populace enough for them to be attentive to it. You know? So I do find that corporate sponsors will rather go to what is popular, hype, and popping versus that is not.
That's a good note. Then can we then say that it's a little bit contradictory? Because it was mentioned earlier that being raunchy or vulgar, for want of a better word, might not be so cohesive or in alliance with what the corporate image is.
But the good thing about a lot of these artists that they are talented enough to tailor their lyrics.
Okay.
And which they've done so a lot of the times to match whatever it is that they are putting forward. So you have school campaigns, you have artists on there who sing the raunchiest of lyrics. So when they go on that stage in front of those children, they don't sing the same song, they don't sing the originals. They will tailor their songs accordingly to, to fit whatever the brand is asking of them. No, but then when you look at Tifa, the out-there artist to represent their brand depending on what it is. If it's Water or if it's bigger, the majority of their crowd is children or kids or young adults.
That's what I was going to say. Alright, I've been hearing everybody talk about when we talk about corporate sponsors. I just want to backtrack on something I said when it comes to the launch. That doesn't mean you can't get a corporate sponsorship. It does not mean that. It just means you lessen your chance. Here's the thing. Everything in life is a yin and yang, and everything in life is a balance. So that means if you have a goal that you want to be on billboards for just alcohol and party stuff, go with what you...
A man must be a man. And guess what? It's always should happen to lose your job today, and people need to go find the work faster than me. Although I need to find the work too, but he is the head of... it's him. That's what the Bible said. I'm going to find my work too, and I need what it don't need to necessarily depend on the man, but a man is a man, and a man wants to be a man, and that's the end of my story.
Alright, Dr. Sexton, to close out this one. Yes, Doctor. A man needs to feel like a man. That statement concerns me. What does a man feel like when he's not feeling like a man? A plant? You feel like a building? What is he feeling like? That's not a man. Anyhow, let us move on. We don't have time for that part of the conversation. I feel a little differently from my fellow panelists when it comes to this. I think that when it comes to relationships, the people in the relationship decide to work for them.
Right,